This is a 4x4 vehicle. The children from 3 years to 13 years can drive this vehicle. It's a battery system, and it can go reverse as well as it can go forward. So here is the switch. Here's the switch, and this is how the children can open the door. This is how they can open, and this is how they can get in, and they can close the door as well. So the battery with full charge, it will last for 3 hours, and then the battery for full charge, the battery, we have to keep the battery for 3 hours for charging, and the children really love this. So the price, it depends from state to state. So this one cost us 15,000, and this is the main switch, this is the power switch, and this is a 4x4 vehicle, and this is a 4x4 vehicle, and he's 4 years old, and he's trying to operate by himself, and he's able to do it now. So he's turning on the vehicle, and he's accelerating, and now he wants to go forward. Now he is going back. Now he's going back. All right, reverse. Now he's in reverse. Okay. That's how he's doing. Now again he's going forward now. Alright. Cool.